Having problem programming your Baopeng BF888 on Chirp? This is my solution. Okay, but first need to like and subscribe. Go to Google, search for Baopeng BF888S factory reset, and look for this one, Miclor. Just click the then choose micor.com. Micor, search for the unit. Yan, BF888. Then search for user. Go to software, cable and driver. Select factory SW because Chirp won't work. There's two choices. This one is the original from Baopeng. Then choose ZT. Yan. Just download and follow the instruction. Simple. Okay, so this is the actual programming. I already saved the frequency. Okay, so open CTPF and load the frequency. I already saved that before. Okay, then click right. Yan, right. Okay, then as you can see, the radio is responding from programming. I use my modify cable, and after complete, click OK, then close the program, shut down the radio, remove the cable, and
power off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 8, 11, 16.
thank you for watching. Enjoy your Baopeng.